Alright guys, I haven't tried this out yet, but I got 2 pool noodles, and so I don't think, man, it had to be a big old catfish. And so instead of having all that extra, I think I'm going to cut this. And so we're going to see how that works. It had to be a big old catfish to pull that through. I mean, I can't pull it through. And he's not going to be, and that catfish is not going to have that much resistance. And so I can't imagine a catfish doing that. So I think we're going to try that right there. And then we've got some braided line. I think I'm going to put about, I don't know, 5 foot on there, maybe more. That's 8 foot. I don't know, between 6 and 7 foot. Might do half and half. That might be a good thing. I got 5 noodles, so I might do 5 with 7, and then 5 with 10 foot. Probably just cut it off the shoulder right there. Just want that wire just to poke through so we can tie our rope on. I'm just going to curl these under, and I'm thinking just kind of poke them into the noodle, just to keep the kids from getting scratched. And so we tie that there, and then I'll tie a loop here at the bottom, and we can either put a weight on here or put a hook on it. If you have like a pyramid sinker or something, you can take it on and off. That way you're not, that way you don't have that on, so you just have a loop. You can put that through, double back, you know. And then I'll take some, probably, I haven't decided if I'm going to put a hook on here, if I'm going to like tie a loop, get a loop out here, or, you know, put a loop here on the bottom. Or if I'm going to take a piece of monofilament and tie a little monofilament leader. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, we'll have our weight on the bottom, and then we'll have a hook down towards the bottom as well. And then once you get done, the beauty of these of the noodles here is you can just roll them up. Sorry, my dog, I think has ammonia. So you can just roll up the noodles and take the hook, put the hook into the foam, and then you can just put all these into a milk crate, and then, you know, they're easy to transport. And you get ready to fish, just unhook it, put your weight and put your hooks on there, throw them out in the water. I can't imagine this. These are 10.5 inches, and so we're going to see if they're large enough to hold up a decent sized catfish. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out and have fun.
I don't want to throw that one.
You want me to do it?
It's weird how I throw it. This is feeling weird.
you can do it while I do this.